Hi dear students, intermediate, regular students, long-term students, CBSE plus 1 plus 2 students, MPC by PC students. Welcome back to BMS Academy of Objective Physics, NEET and IIT Entrance Coaching Center. I am Mr. Bhanumurthy Sharma, BMS, Senior Physics Faculty Member having 30 years of teaching experience in Hyderabad for both NEET and IIT JEE Entrance Coaching. I am conducting both online and offline tuition classes in physics from my own house, HYDERABAD Colony, BND Nagar, Hyderabad, Vanasthalipuram. My address is mentioned very clearly in brochures. If you face any difficulty, you contact my numbers for the address. Admissions are going on. The batches I am conducting already. Some new batches are going to be started very quickly. Now we are teaching online classes, offline classes. We are conducting all basic fundamentals, conceptual models, applications, and also we are solving the most important problems in physics, which are very, very useful for the students for their upcoming entrance examinations. You listen carefully this video class till end so that you can have an idea, awareness in the subject. What type of problems they are asking in entrance examination, you can have clear idea. Thanks for joining with us. This video class is especially for NEET students. I am projecting nearly 4 problems, 2 problems from 2024, 2 problems from 2025. I am projecting now from Units and Dimensions chapter, so that the students can have a clear idea what type of problems they are asking, what type of level problems they are asking in entrance examinations. Generally, students are expecting that in 2025, the question paper was very tough, but it is not correct actually. If you do hard work, rank comes to your legs. No need to search for the good rank. This is my slogan actually. You follow this one. Do hard work, put the concentration. You have to show the interest. You do hard work, definitely rank comes to your legs. Okay. Now, let us discuss the problems in detail clearly. In 2024, 2 questions I am projecting. 25, 2 questions I am projecting now. After listening my video classes, my opinion is based on you. You can take your own decision after listening my classes, whether to join in the institution or not. Directly, you can talk to me by dialing these numbers, 2 numbers. Okay. My entire information is given in the brochures. Now let us go to questions very clearly. Okay. Now, okay. The first question in 2025, what type of problems it is coming now here? A physical quantity P is represented here. It is depending on some factors there, A, B, C, D. Okay, the relation is given there between P, A, B, C, D. Okay, it is given there. A percentage error is given there. The percentage relative error is given there for A, for B, for C, for D given. For A, 1%, for B, 3%, for C, 2%, for D, and 4% given there. So, if the percentage errors in A, B, C, D are mentioned in the problem, what will be the percentage error in P? That is a question. Very clear it is, okay. So, once you know the relation here, A cube means cube times A cube means what? Power times percentage error, relative error or percentage error. So, cube means here A cube means 3 times A%. We can write. So, log A cube we can write what here? A log 3 log A we can write, no? Log A cube, 3 log A, like that. 3 times the percentage error in A. Next, similarly, plus log m into log n is nothing but log m plus log n we can write. So, multiplication is addition. B square means 2 times percentage error in B. Similarly, denominators also go to numerators, they are also positive. Okay, because maximum percentage error is asking in B. Maximum percentage error means even denominators also become positive. Recognize this point. Particularly if they mention minimum percentage error, then denominators become negative. Otherwise, here in this problem, maximum percentage error we have to understand, that is denominators also become positive. So C percentage 2% and root D. Root D means power is half. So half times D percentage. So if you calculate this, you will get 13% here. Whereas regular question it is now actually in 2025. So it is not at all a tough question actually. Let us go to second question now. Let us go to second question. What type of question they asked in 22nd one? See, in 2024 they asked this question. What is that? 2024. In an electric circuit, the voltage is measured as, voltage is given there 200 plus or minus 4, that is delta V, and V and delta V are given, and current also is given 20 plus or minus 0.2 given. 20 means I and 0.2 means delta I. Okay, so we can frame relative errors and then we can find out resistance. So what is resistance is asking. Resistance means R plus R minus delta R. That is our target. Okay, so first we should find out R, then delta R, then substituting in that formula you will get R plus R minus delta L. My dear NEET students, it's a very, very simple question. It is also asked in 2024. Now, see V delta V, I delta I are given there. Then R is equals to V by I, direct formula it is. So we got first equation. Second one is delta R by R, relative errors we are framing now. Once you know the relation, relative errors we can frame. Delta R by R equals to delta V by V, because V by I know it is delta V by V, just like logarithm. Just now in the previous problem I told you, no, same type of problem they asked there. So delta V by V, that is log V, plus delta I by I, log I. Even denominator also becomes positive, just now I told you, no. So in 2024, 2025, they have given percentage errors, relative errors. Okay. Put the concentration in that for this 26 examination also. So delta R by R value 10 you have to substitute here, and V delta V, I delta L, we have to substitute there. Then you will get delta R is equals to what is that? 0.3 you will get ohms. Okay, finally our target is R plus R minus delta R equals to 10 plus R minus 0.3 ohms. So this is a second option B. Okay, similarly let us go to next question. Dear students, this is a way of teaching methodology in this academy, right? Right. Now, a balloon is there. So, in 2025, they asked this question. So, the students are feeling tough, but not correct. It is a regular problem actually. Lengthy, it seems to be lengthy, but so simple problem it is. Okay, a balloon is there, a surface tension is given S. It's a material actually. Surface tension is given S. It is filled with air density is given there. Okay, now gradually air is leaking out from the balloon. Initially balloon was like this, globe it is, its initial radius is R, initial area is A, then gradually as air leaks out from the balloon, its radius what happens gradually reduces as long as time passes. So the time depends upon radius, area, surface tension and density. So given there. So time depends on what? Surface tension, area, density and radius. So the relations of powers alpha, beta, gamma, delta given. So in the options they are asking alpha, beta, gamma, delta values. Very simple problem it is. So what I am doing here, first I am writing the relation given in the problem. Okay, so I am putting the dimensional formulas for each and every quantity. T for time period, M0, L0, T. Then S for surface tension. So force by length, that's the formula is. So M T power minus 2 alpha. Unless you know the dimensional formula, you can't solve the problems. So first you should refer all dimensional formulas for all physical quantities. Okay. So surface tension dimensional formula I mentioned, area dimensional formula L into L, L square. Then rho means density, mass by volume, that is M L minus 3 whole power gamma. And R for radius, that is L. Okay. So power delta. First I substituted the dimensional formulas. After that, if bases are equal, power should be added. You know that point. So mass is a base here. Two powers are there. I am adding alpha plus gamma. Next L. L power should be added here. Here 2 beta. There here minus 3 gamma. Here delta. I added all these. The time dimension formula also is given there. That is minus 2 alpha. After that, what we have to do? Comparing the dimensions on both sides. Dimensions of length, mass, dimensions of time. We have to compare. We have to equate. Okay. First I am selecting time dimensions. Time dimension minus 2 alpha. It is easy to solve it. So minus 2 alpha. Here time dimension is 1. So then alpha equals to minus 1 by 2 we got. Then second mass dimension formula are equated. So equal to here mass dimension is 0. Here mass dimension is alpha plus beta. equated now here. Then we got and substituted alpha value here, you get gamma value. Very simple, you know. So once you get alpha and gamma, then you compare L dimensions also. So L dimensions are equated here like this. Okay, so then substituting alpha, gamma in this formula, you get one equation here, 2 beta plus delta equals to 3 by 2. And beta value is not mentioned in the problem actually. Okay, but in options beta value is mentioned. So what to do now? So in first option, third option and fourth option, beta value given -1. Then you put, if we select beta value -1 here, what happens to delta value? So in this formula, if you substitute beta value -1 here, delta value becomes 7 by 2. So delta value 7 by 2 in where here? Delta here 7 by 2, here 7 by 2. And gamma value half here, here also half. Beta value -1 here, this is -1 by 2, only -1. So option number 1 is correct, that is A. So by selecting our beta value -1, if you substitute in the formula, you will get delta value, alpha, beta, gamma, delta, all values we get. So it is a regular problem. It is in intermediate level, we can do all these problems regularly. Okay, in 2025, 2 questions we discussed so far out of 45. Those 2 questions are very regular questions. Then how can you say that this is question tough paper? No, not at all. Okay, let us move to next one. Of course, some correct guidelines are required for excellent tuition master is required for the students. Guidelines are required for the students. Then only they will be succeeded. Okay, they will get the good ranks. Last question in 2024, they asked me here, force is given alpha t square plus beta t. Okay, so acts on a particle at a given interval time. Which were among these 4 factors? Which factor is dimensionless? They're asking. Okay, so first of all, what we have to find out? Alpha, beta values we have to find out. They are constants. Alpha, beta dimensions we have to find out first of all. What is the method? Method of principle of homogeneity is there. What is the principle of homogeneity? If any physical quantity is equal to sum of number of terms, force is equals to alpha beta t square is one term and beta t is another term. So if any physical quantity is equal to sum of number of terms, then each term should have the same dimensions as that of force. LHS side. RHS side 2 terms are there. LHS side force is there. So each term on RHS should be equated to force. So I done the same thing. So first of I equated F equal to alpha t square. This term I equated. Then I got alpha value. Force dimension formula MLT minus 2. That's what I'm telling. Unless you know the dimension formula, you can't solve the problems. Okay. So next one is alpha value and t square. T square means time. T square that is. So you got alpha. Similarly, equated beta t with force. I got beta value. Then once you get alpha and beta values, go to the options now. Which factor is dimensionless? First, I will put the factors here, dimensions here in this first option. So I won't get dimensionless quantity, dimensionless factor. So if we substitute here in the second option, you see I applied there alpha dimension, beta dimension, t dimension, capital T. Then all factors will be cancelled dimensions. Then you will get M0, L0, T0 means it is dimensionless. Something power 0 is 1, you know. That's why dimensionless. So my dear students, this is my way of expression. This is my way of teaching now here. This is my way of teaching. You go through this video a number of times. Okay, once you get the confidence now, you can join in our institution. The batches are going to be started very fast now, very quickly, very soon. Okay, so this is my information. For further details, you dial to my numbers now. Therefore, okay. So generally the students are facing, even MPC students, BIPC students are facing so many difficulties in solving numerical problems in physics. They are not able to understand the conceptual models also, applications also. So that's why they are feeling very tough. Okay, first you have to take the correct guidelines from the lecturer, experienced lecturer. Okay, then only all the problems will be get rid of. Okay, so in order to get rid of all those problems, all your problems, I established my own institution in Vanasthalipuram. Address is mentioned very clearly. I will explain in detail each and every concept and application. Once you understood the concept application, basic knowledge, then you can solve each and every problem just like drinking water. That's all. Don't waste your valuable time. Avail this golden opportunity. Okay, Bhanumurthy sir is available here round the clock from 4 a.m. to evening 10:30 p.m. You can join in any batch. okay, and try to improve your knowledge, okay, and success. Have a good luck now in getting good ranks in NEET entrance examinations. So this is my sincere advice. If you like this video, subscribe, and subscribe and share, okay, and write your comments, okay, without fail, write your comments in the comment box below, okay, and very important information I'm giving. Don't waste your valuable time, okay, and let us meet in the next video class, okay, very soon, with more and more information in upcoming chapters, okay, in physics first year as well as second year. So frequently I am going to release the video classes. Once you understand this video class, then you whether you joining in the institution or not, it is left to you, okay, Nana. Wishing you all the best. So do your journey with BMS Bhanumurthy's physics classes, okay. Wishing you all the best. Bye.